doing, YouTube? Pete with Inner Defense. We've been doing some silencer comparisons because we're trying to get some 9mm silencers on some out to the market. And essentially what we're going to do now is I've got the old standby, the old MP5 with an integrated suppressor. This is considered the standard, shall we say, of sound suppression for 9mm. We're not going to shoot the MP5 alternatively with the BR9. So we're going to go MP5, BR9, MP5, BR9. So you can hear the two sound signatures side by side. Again, this is for comparison. I might also point out that the suppressor system on the MP5 actually starts up here. This is an extremely dedicated suppressed barrel system from MP5. It's integrated into the unit. That explains the lack of decibels from the MP5. I am now going to shoot alternately MP5, BR9. MP5, BR9. MP5, BR9. First, MP5. One round. BR9. Which, by the way, is lighter than the MP5. It's easier to wield. MP5. BR9. MP5. BR9. 5. 9. 5. 9. Boom! Well, there we go, Inner Defense. Sorry, YouTube. Comparison between, again, an MP5 with an integrated factory suppressor. The 9mm standard for subgun. This weapon is relatively heavy. BR9, comparatively, even with the stock extended, is still shorter than the MP5. This is Pete with Inner Defense. Defend freedom.